Welcome to Daily New Drawings. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily New Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color Peppa Pig talking on the phone. Let's draw it. Firstly, I am going to draw her eyes. Then her nose. And the shape of her head. And ears. And a circle for her cheek. And her smiling mouth. I draw her body and her arms. She has a mobile phone in her hand. I draw 9 buttons on it. Now I am using this black marker to make this drawing more beautiful. Let's start coloring. First, I color Peppa. I use this pink marker for her skin. I use orange. And red! It's so cool! Pink! For the phone, I use this beautiful gray marker. And rainbow colors for the buttons. Green and yellow, purple, orange, red, pink, green, brown, blue, again orange, and red. So cool! Then I use dark pink for her cheek. I love it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel.